welcome to Women 50 and Beyond. Hi, my name is Tara Love Diva, and today on Tara Love Diva, I am doing my own facial soap. I ran out of facial soap, my facial soap. Let me give you a little back history, but before then, if you are new, welcome to my channel. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, click up the thumbs, and turn on the bell notification. That way you will be notified when I upload videos. If you know G, welcome back to your girl Tara Love Diva. Little backstory on me. I love everything skincare. I might not have the best skin, but I do have healthy skin. Reason being, way back in the days, I'm gonna go like 35 years ago, I worked with a lot of brands for skincare. I was in my early 20s when I worked with a lot of brands. Then 25 to 28 years ago, I worked with Mary Kay. I've been a beauty consultant for almost 20, I think I'm gonna say 28 years. 27 years, my daughter was a year. She's 28. So 27 years I've been working with Mary Kay. I stopped 9 years ago working with Mary Kay because life happened, and then I ended up being sponsored by other brands like Neutrogena and so forth. So with that being said, I decided to come up with my own anti-aging skincare, facial soap. I have the soap, foaming soap, I have anti-aging cream, and I have anti-aging vitamin C serum. I will do another video on those other two, but right now we're doing the facial foam soap because I ran out. With that being said, I am 53. I'll be chapter 54 December 21st, and I love to take care of my skin. I want to reduce the wrinkles. I need my skin to be a little smoother, but playing in the sun here in Georgia or any state that's the sun will eat your skin up, my skin does not look that healthy right now because we're always in the chlorine, in the pool, blah, X, Y, and Z. So this anti-aging for my age, anyone 45 and up, I recommend, because like I said, I've been doing this for years, and I'm 53 years, 54, December 21st. Anyway, I gotta stop trying to look over there. So with that being said, we're gonna get on to this video without dragging it out too long. But once again, comment, like, and thumbs up the video, turn on the bell notification, and if you are new, subscribe to your girl's channel. She's hilarious sometimes. But anywho, I'm going to tell you all the ingredients that I'm using here. As far as, and this is for oily skin. I have oily skin. You actually could use it for combination skin to dry skin. This is very good because of this oil here, which is grapeseed oil. Is 100% for sensitive skin care. If you have sensitive skin, this grapeseed oil is the best. I will do a whole video on different oils, on what is good for. Now, once again, I recommend everyone to go get your skin tested from your dermatologist before you decide to do any do-it-at-home remedies. These all came from a friend of mine who helped me with my formula. She is an esthetician, a dermatologist, whatever she is. She's licensed and she's been doing this for years, and she helped me build this for my oily skin. Grapeseed oil also helps with the dark marks, and it brightens up your skin if you use it on a consistent basis. That's all the thing I can tell you. Consistency. You can't find things, you can't see things if it's not consistent. That's just me. I'm also using what's this person's name? Dr. Bruner Pure Castor Soap. I'm trying to see all this without my glasses. We're using that. This is distilled water. Don't use regular water. Use distilled water. It has a meaning behind it. I'll probably put a description in it. Down in the description box, I will put the meaning behind all of these. As far as essential oils, I use 3 types of essential oils, which this one here is frankincense. Then you have lavender. This is all for your skin. There's a difference in lavender skin and lavender you put in oil, candles. Then I'm using rosemary. Rosemary is also a good essential oil for your skin. Once again, I will put all of the reasons behind all of these down in the description box. But this is the distilled water. Everything is sterilized, and I'm using a foam bottle. I ran out of my glass one. So with that being said, let's get on to the thing. We're going to put my distilled water in first. Now we're going to use this grapeseed. Now we're going to use the castor oil soap. We're going to use lavender. We're going to use rosemary. And right now, everything is floating to the top because you got to shake the oils. And then that's when it becomes a foaming soap. Okay, FYI, this is for me, so I'm not using any gloves. Any other time I'm making it for someone, I will be using gloves. Foaming soap. So this makes your hands, without having to put on too much moisturizer because of the grapeseed oil, is lightweight, but it does what it needs to do. And it makes your skin feel so soft and smooth. I will do a whole video on washing my face with my